Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Saturday, February 11th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to shoot a quick video because I was going through my books and I'm always reading, how to better myself books and business books and network marketing books. And I came across one of my all-time favorites, Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad. And I read the book several times. Every time I read it, I learn something new. And if you're not familiar with Robert Kiyosaki, he is businessman, an entrepreneur, and he's pretty much best known for his book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. He's just a brilliant mind, but two of my favorite quotes from him are these two that I wrote down here, okay? The first one is, network marketing gives people the opportunity with very low risk and very low financial commitment to build their own income-generating asset and acquire great wealth. Folks, you can do that with LiveGood, okay? The LiveGood opportunity has all of this stuff here. All right, there's very low risk, there's very low startup costs, and you can literally write your own paychecks. The earnings disclaimer is down in the video description because I can't guarantee you're going to make anything. It's all based upon your work ethic and how you treat this business, right? But for the go-getters, the people who are serious, network marketing is the only occupation in the world where you can literally write your own paycheck, okay? Now, you might have a good job, you might be a lawyer, you might be a dentist, you might be a doctor, you might have your own business, right? But even with your own business, there are limits to it, right? I mean, there are limits to what most lawyers make. There's limits to what most doctors make. The president of the United States makes $400,000 a year. And with network marketing, you can literally write your own paycheck. I mean, there's people who make millions and millions and millions of dollars every year. Right? My wife has a girlfriend who is in a company, and she makes about $40,000 a week. So it just depends on what you're willing to put in, okay? Like we say, the winners never quit and the quitters never win. But with LiveGood, you can do all of this stuff, okay? There's very little risk, okay? You sign up for $49.95 and you pay $9.95 a month. So it's $160 for the year. You can even pay a year in advance and save $20, okay? So you can get in for $140 if you really want to. So it's very low risk because that's all you really need to get in the door, right? Once you pay to get in, you have access to all the marketing tools you need. You have an email marketing system that does all the follow-ups for you, and you have a great community of people. I mean, we're like a family. So there's very low financial commitment to this. There's very low risk. And again, you can build this to whatever you want it to be. All right. That's why I love network marketing so much, because, you can make a fortune with it if you truly want that in your life. Right. I mean, I know people say that money isn't everything, and to a point it's true, but having money makes things a whole lot easier. Okay. When you don't have to worry about your furnace going out, having a car, having food. When a bill comes in, you can sit down and write out the check and pay it. There's lots of benefits to having money, okay? And it's a tool, but it's a tool that, it doesn't buy happiness and all that stuff, but it makes life a lot easier, okay? And my second favorite quote is, the richest people in the world look for and build networks. Everyone else looks for work. All right, so there's two different mindsets, really. We have the people that like going to a job, or people that choose a job, which there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, except for the fact that job stands for just over broke, right? So, I mean, most people are never going to get wealthy at a job, okay? Even with your 401k plan and all your benefits, most people do not build wealth at a job, okay? Because most people don't know how to manage their money. They don't have their money work for them. Right? They get the paycheck, they pay their bills, they overspend on this, they use credit cards to buy stuff they don't need. And the richest people in the world, they hang out with people who are very wealthy, very successful, like-minded. They have the same goals. They manage their money properly. They have their money work for them. And that is how it is in network marketing for the majority of people. Well, the majority of the people don't do that, but the people who are successful in network marketing are like that, all right? They have the entrepreneurial mindset. They're laser focused. Their goals are pretty much the same. They want to build wealth. They want to take care of their families. And, it's time freedom, right? The more money you have, the more time freedom you have. All right. Especially with like network marketing, you can build residual income. So you might work a lot the first couple of years to build up your business, but then the rest of the time, once your business is built big enough, you're going to have money rolling in without doing hardly much work at all. So these are my two favorite Robert Kiyosaki quotes. And when I saw that book, I was like, oh man, I got to reread it again, because every time I read it, I learn something new. But I was like, this LiveGood is such an amazing opportunity, and again, I keep talking about how much I love this company and making videos about how much I love this company, but it's just so true. I mean, like, look at right here. You can earn income 6 different ways with this company. All right. And it's really not even about the income. It's about helping people get healthier, right? It's about helping people get healthier. It's about helping people who have never made money online before make money. It's just an unbelievable company. And for $49.95 to start your own business, you can't go anywhere else and start a business like that. I compare this a lot to the soap company that my wife and I own, and the amount of money that we've spent over the years running that and rebranding it and making a new website. I mean, it's, hundreds of thousands of dollars that we've spent in the last 5 years that we've owned the soap company. All right, here you can come in here, and actually with the soap company, because it's just my wife and I who run this, we're limited with how many bars of soap we can make each year, with where we are right now. So there's kind of, without spending more money or going into debt to build a big factory, you're kind of limited with what you can make every year. There's certainly a cap on it. With network marketing, I mean, with LiveGood, you can come in here, pay $49.95. You get your back office just like you see here, with all of the stuff here, all your marketing tools and websites that you need, and you can legit start a real business for $49.95. And you have tons of tax write-offs, all right? If you work at home, you can write off parts of your home. You can write off all of, when you go out for dinner, when you go out for, put gas in your car. There's all kinds of tax benefits of having your own business working from home. On top of that, you can earn income 6 different ways with LiveGood. All right, so let me just show you how cool this is. So for the $49.95, you come in, you become a member. All right, you go and you refer 2 people to this company. Everybody knows 2 people who are looking to get healthy and or wealthy, right? You refer 2 people, you get your $50 back right away. All right, because here we have weekly fast start commissions. For each person who you refer to LiveGood who becomes a member and an affiliate for $49.95, we will reward you with a $25 commission paid out the very next week. Plus, if any of the people you enroll choose to enroll others, not only will they be rewarded, but you will also receive additional bonus commissions up to 10 levels deep. All right, so right now I'm a silver. I earn money on 4 levels. All right, so not only do I earn $25 for everybody I bring into the company personally, I get 10% of everybody on my 2nd level and 5% on my 3rd and 4th levels. All right, I got people 13 levels deep now in this company. All right, so then we have the matrix commissions. You can literally come into this company, not do anything. All right, so that just means pay your $49.95 and your $9.95 a month after to keep your membership active. You can get all the great products that we have at wholesale prices and wait for your matrix to fill. It might be 6 months, a year, 2 years, 3 years. I don't know how long it's going to take to fill. But with the rate we're growing, with almost 2,000 people joining this every day, it's not going to take very long, I don't think. But if you came in here and did nothing, once your 12 levels of the matrix fills, you're going to earn $2,047.50 every month. That's residual income. So even if it took 3 years to do that, all right, and you paid monthly, so you paid, 160 times 3 would be $480. Is that worth it to create a $2,047.50 monthly residual income? Right? That's a pretty good return on your investment. And then if you, obviously if you rank up, like I said, I'm a silver, that opens up the door. If you bring in 2 people, you rank up to bronze. It opens up the 13th level. Right? Once your matrix fills, you're at $4,095.50. just by referring 2 people and letting the matrix fill. Then this is where the real money happens, right here with the matching bonuses, okay? So say you came into the company, you paid the $49.95, you refer 2 people, you instantly get your $50 back. All right, so now you're even. You don't owe anything other than the $9.95 a month. Your first month is paid for. You're going to get 50% of whatever those 2 people bring in. So if you have a real builder on your team and they go out and recruit 20, 30, 40, 50 people, you're going to get paid 50% of whatever they make in their matrix. All right, if you're a silver like I am, not only do I get 50% on all my personal referrals, I get 10% of everybody on my second level. All right? So, I mean, and here's an example. If you have 10 personally enrolled people who are each earning $6,000 per month in their matrix, you will match 50% of what they earn in their matrix. That means you will earn a $3,000 matching bonus on each of them every month for a total of $30,000 in commissions just on those 10 people alone. That doesn't include what you will earn in your matrix, plus potentially hundreds or thousands of other people who you could be matching in our other generations. I mean, folks, this is huge, okay? I mean, then we have retail commissions. People come in and buy products. We have influencer bonuses. We have a diamond pool bonus. All right, this past month, January, the company, we've only been in, this is the 7th week that we launched globally. Last month alone in January, they did 1.3 million in sales. We had 1 diamond member. They got a check for $26,000. All right, I mean, it's absolutely crazy what you can do with LiveGood. All right, so if you're on the fence about any of this, if you're, fearful of taking that chance, I mean, I talk to people all the time. They want to get done the rat race. They want to quit the rat race. But then I watch them and, it's like they're almost too afraid to want to get done the rat race. I totally understand it. But you have to look, in this world today, especially with the way the economy is and everything like that, your job's really not guaranteed. I mean, anybody can be replaced. Right? And you see it happening all the time. These people that are at a place of employment for 20, 30 years, and then they're getting the boot so the company can bring in younger people and pay them less money. So why not? I mean, even if you like going to your job, why not build a second income stream? The wealthiest people in the world have 5 or 6 or more income streams. So LiveGood is awesome, folks. I mean, look at these products here. All right, I'm actually drinking these essential aminos right now. I love them. Okay, it's the support muscle strength and function, boost stamina and recovery, promote energy and focus. Look at this stuff right here. All right, when it comes to peak performance, nothing works like LiveGood's essential aminos. Our exclusive formula gives you an optimized ratio of all essential amino acids, branched chain amino acids, and electrolytes to support muscle strength and function, to help maintain lean muscle mass, to boost stamina and recovery, and to promote healthy energy and focus. All right, this is gluten-free. There's no sugar. It's non-GMO. It's vegan. They use the highest quality ingredients in these products. And look at the price here, if you remember, $19.95 for a month's supply. All right, even if you're not a member and you pay retail price, $30. Okay, look at down here. Here's some competitors right here. $42.17, $49.95. All right, and I can guarantee you that these 2 products right here do not have the same ingredients as our products do, okay? So, I mean, folks, this company is on fire. Like I said, we have, 2,000 plus people joining this every day right now. And, if you're looking for a way to supplement your income or even to replace your income, this company could be a right fit for you, all right? So if you have any questions about any of this, leave them down in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you're interested in joining LiveGood, you can come over here, click the link in the description box. It'll bring you over here to my tour page. There's a 5-minute and 55-second video that you can watch here that talks about the company and how everything works. And then you can reserve your spot in our matrix, okay? So you just put your first, last name, email, and click reserve my position now. It's free to do, and you can opt out at any time. So, again, this company's on fire, and the people that join this now, even if they join this and do nothing with it, they're going to be very happy in a year's time or so, okay? I can guarantee that. So, anyway, I hope you had a great rest of your day. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. If you find any value in them, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. My YouTube channel continues to grow, and I'm very thankful for that and for each and every one of you. So I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.